Hi, all. My name is Ricky. I would be doing the presentation for today. This presentation is for the Milestone 1. All right, so let me share my screen. The name of our application is the Pause Deluxe Rentals. Luxury anywhere, anytime, any place. Again, this is Milestone 1 with the due date of April 11th, 2022. All right, and we have the authors Georgie Valyuk, Darren Kochadorian, Jocelyn Stevens, Ricky Tofrey Jr. Right. The two items that we're going to cover today is from section 1, high level requirements, which covers the use case diagram and the high level analysis. All right. So our overview project is a car rental application where customers can create accounts, search, and place rental orders and return cars. Employees can likewise create accounts, search cars, and finalize car returns. Again, this is team group 7 and our members here. Here we have our source code that's the location we'll upload our source code. All right. Again, we're going to go over section 1, populate with high level design details. I will quickly go over the appendix A, team communication and conflict resolution agreements, and appendix B, milestone 1, details added. All right. So DePaul's Deluxe Rentals is a car rental application for customers and employees. Customers can create customer accounts and log into these accounts. When they when logged in, they can search available cars, place rental orders, and submit rental for return processing. Employees can create employee accounts and log these accounts. When logged in, they can search cars, see car rental return ready for processing, and complete the car return processing. Okay, so 4 major functionalities. 1, we have user creation login. 2, we have search database. 3, we have place order. 4, we have return borrow item. All right. So the use case diagram, we have the user logging in. This have the ability to log in as 1, a user, and 2, as a guest. There's 2 scenarios with a user. You can log in, you're already a customer, where you just put your username and password, and your credentials are already saved. Uh, then you can log in as a new user. You put your first name, last name, user address, account number will be created for you, payment options, driver's license, and you have to put your insurance carrier. Or you can log in as a guest. You want to go through the household, create a account. This is a one-time thing, whatever. You're able to log in as a guest, put your first, last name, uh, guest address, driver's license, payment options, and insurance carrier. And then you will be able to review your input and change your input for the new account as well as the guest account. All right, after doing that, you'll be able to log into the DePaul's Deluxe rental application where you'll be met with weekly deals. So if we have a car rental for $59 a day, it'd be $49 a day, right? And you be able to search the database for other car rentals. You'll choose your rental, the date for the rental. You can place your order and print the confirmation. Vehicle number is reserved. for that specific vehicle and the date. Location for return of the vehicle. You might want to return in a different state or the same location. And then you also have a cancellation policy. If you want to cancel your car reservation, we may need a 24-hour notification, so you won't be penalized. If you do it 12 hours before, you might get hit with a penalty, or you have to pay the whole bill. All right, so you'll be able to go to the car rental place and pick up your car where you're met by the rental team members. All right. If you don't want to use the online app, you could call the rental team members. They can create the app for you. But here's their admin page. They'll be able to create a user account, or they can modify your current account. They can search for car rentals, and they can search for car rental insurance packages. Right? They can enter in new car information if a new car come in, so they want to add that to the database. They can enter in damage to a vehicle. You bring your car back, there's damage, you got to put that in. Or they can put in car rental that might have been stolen. They put that information in, right? And also, you can call in counsel, and you would just need your vehicle confirmation number. All right. So 1.2, we have the high level analysis UML diagram. So the first thing we do have the customer. Customer can have multiple reservations. If you see here, we have the customer and reservations. We have one to many reservations. A customer can have uh, w- well, we have one payment account. You can have multiple payment accounts, but you use one account to make the payment. And then you can have customer to registration. It's a one-on-one. All right. So next thing we have is in employees. We have a one to many reservation. Employees can handle many reservations, and employee can check for many car conditions. All right. The next thing we have is the car has a one-to-one reservation. You have a car with one reservation, and we have a many to many for the location of this car. So it could be start off in somewhere in Georgia, and you can drive to a northern state, say uh, Chicago or New York or something, and we will store the new location with our sister branch, right? So if we have a DePaul's sister branch in Georgia and also in Chicago or whatever location that will allow it. All right. So now I'm gonna go to the appendix. So we have the appendix team resolution agreement. Let me see what my time is. I'm at 10 minutes, almost 10 minutes. All right, quickly, we have the conflict resolution, the code issue resolution, and the deadline responsibilities, communication agreement, as well as filled out. Appendix B is a summary of what was done. Georgie did the dependency setup diagram feedback. Darren did the GitHub setup code submission and the UML diagram. Jocelyn did the milestone document setup and management. And Ricky did the presentation and use case diagram. All right. So that's it for Milestone 1. Thank you for viewing. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.